check on your forecast with Mike, meteorologist Mike Goldberg, in the Weather Center. What a nice day to celebrate Memorial Day.
Yes, I hope we can put some smiles on faces with this weather. Some people like it really hot, and that hot weather is definitely coming our way the next couple of days. Big bubble of high pressure along the East Coast, but there is some stormy weather here across the northern plains and Rockies tonight. There are a couple of tornado watches, mostly in the state of Minnesota, but extending down into Iowa and a little portion of eastern South Dakota as well. Some very active weather down this way, and also a little bit farther south in the Pacific. This is Hurricane Agatha that has made landfall in Mexico with top winds of 105 miles an hour, a Category 2 storm that is going to be moving across Mexico towards the Yucatan Peninsula. And during the next 5 days, there's a potential for a little development here, maybe in the Gulf of Mexico. Could be our first Atlantic system, something we'll be keeping a very close eye on. Closer to home, things are really quiet, clear skies across the Commonwealth, and we made it up to 90 degrees today, the 5th time this year that we've made it to 90 so far. The overnight low was 64, so on the high end of things, we were about 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. We're still at 88 degrees right now, and the dew point is standing at 62. That's not all that bad on the dew point scale. It's just slightly humid, but that number is going to creep up over the next couple of days, so it will become a little bit more uncomfortable as we go through tomorrow and then on Wednesday. Tonight, we're back down into the 60s region-wide. Highs tomorrow up into the low and mid-90s. A little bit cooler along the water. Will be a little breeze off the bay during the afternoon hours. Big dome of high pressure in our upper level pattern. This ridge is going to build right over the East Coast the next couple of days, so that's why the heat and the humidity will continue to rise. Eventually, a little cooler air will come in from the Great Lakes by the time we get to the weekend, but we're forecasting temperatures of 93, 94 degrees the next couple of days. Not quite records, as you can see there, but the heat index, when you throw in that increasing humidity, will make it feel like the upper 90s at times tomorrow, maybe closing in on triple digits on Wednesday, and still pretty hot on Thursday before a cold front brings a little change towards the end of the week. So clear overnight tonight, a lot of sunshine, some of those fair weather clouds tomorrow. If you're traveling up towards the mountains, there might actually be a shower up that way tomorrow, but most of us just dry and hot. Hot, humid conditions continue on Wednesday, and we'll have to wait for that front to arrive from the west later in the week. 67 degrees overnight in RVA, low 60s in some rural communities. Skies will be clear. It'll be a warm night, not exceptionally humid, and there is a potential meteor shower or storm that peaks around 1 a.m. We mentioned it earlier. Go out, check it out. Maybe you'll be able to see some of these meteors flying through the sky late tonight. A lot of sunshine, some fair weather clouds tomorrow, much like today. A little bit hotter and definitely more humid, and we're in for a streak of 90-plus weather as we go through the next several days. Low and mid-90s, humidity higher, overnight lows creep above 70 degrees, and then here comes a front. On Thursday, that front will trigger some showers and storms by Thursday afternoon into Friday. That will be the change that comes in time for the weekend. Still a rain chance on Friday, but it's a low chance. And look at the weekend. Sunshine, our temperatures headed for the low 80s during the day and upper 50s and lower 60s at night.